Good day, guys, and welcome to the Cash Course channel. If you're coming across this video or this page or this channel for the first time, please do well to like this video and subscribe so you won't miss upcoming arbitrage and upcoming mind-blowing arbitrages. Well, the coin we're going to venture into today is the COS token, also known as the Contentus. It's a triangular arbitrage. We don't need any other exchange. We do everything in Binance. So basically what we do is we buy calls at a cheaper rate when we compare the market on cost to BTC and cost to USDT, and then we sell it at a higher rate, then we claim our profit. Let's go through this together. So basically we're going to look for the token, called COS USDT. Here it is. So what we're going to do now is we are going to compare the market and see where we can get it cheaper and where we can sell it at a higher price than how we got it in order to have our profit. So this is where you can find the compare market. Let me indicate it for you. Here you can get your compare market in these three dots on the right top corner of your screen. So this is it. This is the compare market. So you're gonna click on this. After clicking, it's gonna appear like this, and if you can look at these numbers right here, cost to BTC costs 0.00733382 and cost to USDT costs 0.00703. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Because it's cheaper to buy with USDT and a little bit more expensive to buy or to sell with BTC. So basically what we are going to do now is buy COS token with USDT and then selling it to BTC and then converting our BTC back to USDT. Then we are going to claim our profit. So first thing first, we're going to buy COS, and I'll advise you guys to use a high profit, so you can a high amount of capital so you can maximize your profit. For instance, if we are going to use 500 USDT, it's going to give us 71,133.8 worth of COS. So if we are going to get this number 71,133.8 worth of COS, the next thing we are going to do is go back to the compare market and then go to COS/BTC, and then now you are going to sell your COS to get BTC. Remember, it's 71,133.8 worth of COS we bought. Let's just leave the 0.8, right? So this is the amount of COS we are gonna sell to get this worth of BTC. So what you're gonna do now is, after getting this amount of in BTC, we're gonna copy, and then sell our BTC back to USDT in order to get our profit. This is where the magic happens. Watch, guys. You see, our initial capital was 500 USDT, but after buying the COS using USDT and selling it in order to get BTC at limit order, and then using that BTC to buy USDT back, we are having a whooping amount of 521 USDT, and our profit is 21 USDT. You can do this more than once in a day and have marvelous, wonderful profit. I hope this video helps. Thank you. Love you guys. Please do well to like and subscribe.